Today's class will discuss about the JSP expressions.
Sorry.
So I'm creating a project with the name of JSP expressions. In the JSP file, I'm going to change this here. The syntax of the JSP expressions looks like we go to variable, with the syntax of the JSP expressions. So inside the body, I'm going to create some text. So basically, everything will be written in a scriptlet. Int I equal to 10, int j equal to 20, int k equal to I plus j. I want to display the k value. Basically, we can display in scriptlet by using out.println method. Out is a variable, implicit variable in the underscore JSP service method. If I use out is a variable, right? So I can use directly because it is a local variable of underscore JSP service method. That means whenever if you compile a JSP to generate a .java file, the .java file contains underscore init method, underscore destroy method, underscore service method, JSP service method. Inside the JSP service method, what are the written code in the scriptlet? It will be local variables. So we can able directly access it here. Output is k. Now here same JSP I would like to use same JSP I would like to display with the expressions. Okay. In the body tag, in the body tag, I'm going to provide after the body tag. I'm going to provide expression like this. Either I can display here. I don't want to display over here. This is the comments I can use in JSP. No. Yeah. Now, as per expression equal to K. That's it. This is the way that is equal to out.println. Clear? Now, if you run an application and deploy the application, the some Tomcat server, if you see the exception here, if you see the error, the output is 30. So, what is the I plus j value? 10 plus 20. Now, I want to change 60. So, for this, no need to deploy the application. I just come back here, replace the application. So, for the JSP HTML files, we no need to deploy the application. Not only here, anywhere in the project, if it is related to anything with the service means I'm going to connect with the databases. That scenario, you should always deploy the application so that it will make a fresh copies available from the database, all the connection details. Okay, this is called as expressions. Any doubts so far?
So, Chaitanya, what's the code we are using in that JSP file?
Nothing. This is expression. That's it. This is the scriptlet tag. This is the expression tag.
Okay. So, you can include any kind of code in between scriptlet tags?
Any kind in the sense Java code. Whatever the Java code you want to write here, right? You can write in the scriptlet code. If you want to deploy the application, it will generate a server. It will generate a folder, work Catalina, localhost, JSP expressions. It will generate a .java file. The .java file, Java JSP compiler is the separate compiler is for to compile the JSP file. If we deploy the JSP compiler, if we deploy the JSP file in our applications, it will generate a .java file. Based on the .java file, it will convert into, once the .java file is generated, the compiler will compile the .java file to .class file, and from there the JVM will pick the data and display the data. So if we see edit with Notepad++, I can see the generated servlet looks like this. public class index underscore JSP extends HTTP JSP base, implements JSP support dependent. No need to worry for all these things. The generators index underscore JSP. You can see here there is a method called underscore JSP init method, underscore JSP service destroy method, and underscore JSP service method. So whatever code you written, right, it will come into the as part of the underscore J. What are the code written in scriptlet code? It will come into the underscore JSP service method. If you see here, what code I written here? Int I equal to 10, int j equal to 60, int k equal to I plus j. Then I am displaying as a out.println k value. So whatever we written here, it is coming as a local variables of underscore JSP service method. Okay, super clear. Any doubts? I think you might have not understanding the spawning. I think Tejaswini and Suguna can explain better on this. Suguna, can you brief about how the conversion process will work? Suguna, are you there in the class?
Whatever that, yes, Chaitanya, that index.jsp file will generate in Catalina folder. Their subfolders. When you go through it, it will generate .class file as well as .java file. So whenever we write that scripted code inside the JSP, this scripted code will comes under underscore service method of underscore service. It will call that underscore service method. So all this scripted code will comes under the local variables. So it will execute and it will display the output.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how it will display? In what base it will display?
Yeah, it will display in that expression percent of k, it will display that output, whatever that code, it will display from that output.
Okay. Guys, can you hold on 1 second? Please.
Yes, Chaitanya.
Here I am going to develop the Java. Here I am going to develop an application. That application I am going to make it as a website development. Okay, how the website development by using JSP. How the website looks like. Website design. So as I discussed, I am going to have a footer JSP. Header.jsp. So inside this I'm going just to mention header information. So this is the header information I am going to display here. One second. So why this head is coming here? So I will just stop this one, right? Header information. Head. Yes. Header part. Okay. I'm going to display one more part called as footer.jsp.
Chaitanya, I have a doubt.
Who is this?
Suguna.
Good.
Header information, header information will write in head, right? In the head part, right? Not in the body, right?
No,
I'm
that is
right.
for project specific.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Have you gone through the videos? Have you gone through the examples on all example HTML pages?
Yeah.
Now I'm going to write down main page. It contains page 1 or anything. body.jsp. Sorry. In this main.jsp, as I told already, there is a include tags are available. So what are the different directives are available, Sugna? How include directive will work?
Include directive is just like works like a dispatcher. It will connect to the next application. It will forward objects to the next application.
Can you guys hold on 1 second? Here I'm going to have some tables here. Inside the tables I'm going to have some TRs. Timing I'm giving all the news the JSP only because we don't need to provide anything information here. Just time to showing purpose. Okay. By using HTML also we can do the same thing. So this is the preview. If you click on news, it will go to news.html page. Since we are not provided news.html page, news.jsp. So one you can provide news.jsp here. So this is the header from JSP. I want to use in main page.jsp footer information. There is a tag here as part of our applications. We are going to do here. Yes, there is one more JSP we can use it. That called as. We should contain everything. Home.jsp. Inside the home.jsp, I want to use this as this is one. And inside this again I can use, there is one more tag here, two more tags. So It is footer JSP. In the middle of the header and footer, you can provide main page.jsp. Now, why two header information is coming? So if we deploy the application, without deploying application, we can able to see the output. Run the application. Now I want to display my welcome file list, because welcome file list we can show you exactly what file you want to say. I can say home.jsp here. Now, as soon as I deploy the application, automatically it will pick the data. Okay, let me give the home.jsp. Anyway, I don't understand this. This is the website, looks like this. Real-time scenarios. You can develop the websites, you can develop the applications like this. Header information, copyright, symbols, and news. If you click on news, it will be different news will open. So it will navigate to different links. Clear so far? Anybody has any doubt? by using action.
Are we using this pages, Chaitanya, still now?
Sorry?
Are we using this technology now? These days?
No, this is the way we can include the files. I'm not saying this is the technology we're using here, but this is the way we can use include file, include footer. This is by using JSPs also we can develop the websites or projects. Please write down. Today we'll discuss about Java Beans. There are various component types available in the market. There are various component types available in the market. The most popular component technologies are Component Object Model from Microsoft, Java Bean from JavaSoft, Java Bean from JavaSoft, Enterprise Java Bean from JavaSoft, Enterprise Java Bean from JavaSoft, that is called EJB. In the bracket EJB, Enterprise Java Bean. Java Bean and EJB are two different component technology. Java Bean and EJB are two different component technology. EJBs are designed by JavaSoft. EJBs are designed from JavaSoft exclusively for developing enterprise applications. Exclusive for developing enterprise application in the bracket and business applications, business logic. This is why EJB components are also called as business components. EJB components are also called as business components. But the concept we are going to discuss here is only Java Beans. According to the Java Bean specification, a Java Bean component according to the Java Bean specifications, Java Bean component can support a set of properties Java Bean component can support set of properties set of events and set of additional methods. To support a property, whose name is XXX and whose type is return type is T, we must provide the method with the naming pattern. We must provide the method with the naming pattern set XXX method get XXX method. T stands for type. So basically the Java bean looks like Java bean. Yesterday's class we discussed about JSP with database, right, Suguna?
Yes, Chaitanya.
Yeah. So I have a database here available. So here I am going to create a Java bean object, create a class called as employee. Since we have employee table located in the different package com.ch. So I'm going to click on the finish button here. My employee class, what are the methods are there? What are the my employee table? What are the columns do you have?
Name, first name, last name, mobile, address.
First name, last name, email, mobile, address.
Mobile, address.
Private. Name is string or integer? Set string.
String.
Yeah, sorry. I thought I'm having multiple classes with the same concept. String name, private string. Can someone explain it quickly? First name, last name, email, mobile address.
Everything you kept string, Chaitanya.
Yeah. Last name, mobile address, salary. Email, mobile address. Email, last name, email, mobile address. Last name, email, mobile address. Last name, again private. Email, okay. It's like email, mobile address. As I told you, these are the properties we have here. Inside these properties, I want to write a set and get methods. Right click here, source, generate set and getters. Click on this one. It will show you get address, set address, get email ID, set email ID. get first name, get last name, get last name, get first name, get mobile, set mobile, get name, set name. Okay, so the method will be public methods, all methods. If you want, you can change it here or rotate it, but better to go public methods only. I'm selecting all so that it will generate my actually I'm supposed to write manually, but I don't want to write manually here. My Eclipse will do the needful. One second. Yeah, I have a certain get methods here. So here I'm going to use this object to support these properties in the JSP file. I'm going to use it here. Okay. I have a inner JSP file. In the body tag, I'm going to use JSP. Yesterday I told there's some action tags, right? JSP colon use bean ID equal to emp class equal to com dot ch dot employee. Okay. In the use bean tag, I'm going to, and again one more, there is one more property called as JSP colon set property name equal to, I don't want these many things. I want to do only just first name, last name, email. That's it. Don't want to because it will be time consuming for me to write these many characters, these many values. Only name, first name, email. Property name will be name. Name will be vname. Value will be Chaitanya. V F name, email. I don't think F name. First name, email. Get property, name, vname, property equal to name, close the tab. When this line is executed, the employee bean object will be created. The employee bean object will be created. This is the output of this one. The employee bean object will be created, and the object will be stored into an attribute called page context. An attribute called as page context. An attribute called as page context. When this line is executed, set username method will be called from the employee bean object. Set username or set name. Called from the employee object. When this line is executed, get email method will be called the value returned by the method get method, and the value returned by the method will be sent to the browser will be sent to the browser. When the JSP page is executed completely, the Java Bean object will be removed from the removed. The Java Bean object will be removed. So I'm going to use all the characters, all the properties here. Apart from that, I'm going to use a method called as public store emp data. The return type of the method is void. So here I am going to write the JDBC logic where I want to execute the data into the database. I want to insert the data into the database. I don't want to waste time on writing the JDBC code now because we have already covered the concept like this. I'm just copying the same logic, putting over there. That's all. Now, this type of code is called as business logic. In the real-time scenarios, we are having any bean objects. This is also called as pose objects. Here only we can call it as a we can only write as a business bean objects. So this also we can call it as a model classes. Model classes. Here, then employee object in JSP, I'm going to call remaining fields also. Set property, there is one more, right? First name, last name done. First name done. What is first name? Last name, right? Next one. Suguna, can you help me out?
Yes, Chaitanya, last name.
Very short. So first name, last name, again what is next one? Email done, mobile address, right? Mobile, mobile,
Address.
yeah,
Address.
yeah. Yeah. So same thing, I'm going to get the values. Email done, right? First name, last one. Email done, mobile, email, mobile, address, right? Bank address, V address. So mobile is fine. V mobile, right? V mobile, yeah. V mobile means variable mobile. Don't think like anything. V mobile, V name, VF name, VLM, V email, V mobile, V address. Same thing. V name, VF name, VLM, V email, V mobile, V address. Name, first name, last name, email, mobile, addresses. Here I want to call the method in the scripted code. I want to call the yump dot store yump data. Now deploy the application. Let's see the output. Oh wait, I'm not able to copy. Line number 22, the JSP get property for the bean name vname. Property name equal to wrong. This here. And I redeploy the application. Remove the project from the from the Tomcat. Employee name is Chaitanya. Employee first name is C. Employee last name is K. Employee email is c@ck.com. Employee mobile is this one. Employee address is Bangalore. Out.println data is in the successfully. This one also displayed. So that is because of I should write this code into the scriptlet. Because scriptlet has out is a local variable for that, or else it is sitting as a template text. Can someone tell me? Can explain me? Someone explain the output? Pavani? Pavani, are you there in the class? Pavani? Tejaswini? Should remove from the catalog. All the deployed applications will store into the web apps folder. Now I'm redeploying the application. So it should work. This is coming as a old output only. Let me try in different browser. Pavani, Tejaswini, Sugna, are there in the class?
Yes, Chaitanya. Yes, Chaitanya. There.
Yeah. So this is the way I can insert the data. I'm just copying the same code. No, or else I can use same output here and output here. Then I need to type address. Yeah, no, I can use same thing here. I can copy the same code here, index.jsp. And also want to copy the our old codes where select with JDBC forms. Name, first name, last name, email, mobile, and address. The action I want to make it as here. Rich employee dot JSP. Create a rich employee dot JSP. The rich employee should contain same code like index.jsp. start 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 start. Request start get parameter request dot get parameter of name emp name. Emp name mpl name emp email mobile. One application. First in web.xml file I want to configure as an index.html file here. control import index HTML file. It will take the JSP, then it will take these values and it will display the output. And when I deploy an application here, line number 17, line number 83. 17. Name equal to this property equal to name, and name equal to emp, and value equal to, this is correct one, company. '83 equal symbol expected with root cause Jasper exception. Set property name equal to set property name equal to emp, the property equal to name, and the value equal to yes, right. Skip it. Let me try in different way. J2. Value is coming, but okay, got it. Empty fname is a port with we must escape when using values. No, I don't think this is the like this. I'll sort it out later. Okay. Tomorrow's class will discuss about model view architecture. Very, very important. MVC model view architecture. So don't miss the classes. Okay.
Checking it, can we have an early class tomorrow?
Early means what? What time?
1 hour early to now, or half an hour early at least.
Means what? I am already taking 5:30 classes, right?
I know.
Early is not possible. On 5:30 also I am not able to manage it. 6 o'clock also we can have it. So from 6 o'clock we can have it. But I cannot get up 4 o'clock and take the classes, right?
Yeah, I understand it.
I understand. Last time to me also same thing is telling.
Okay, no problem. See you tomorrow.
Yes, just try to manage for 2 weeks or one and a half week. Just we are good to go. We are complete the course.
Okay. Yeah.
And what are the coming classes are very, very important classes. So please don't miss the classes.
Sure.
And unfortunately, I am not able to upload the videos. Please don't expect the videos from me. Okay. So the coming classes are MVC1, MVC2, and Maven, JUnit, Web Services, Spring Framework.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Please don't miss the classes.
Sure.
Yeah.
So we will have class by tomorrow at 5:30, right?
6 o'clock I want to have it because it is very difficult for me and Teju to connect the 5:30 class. So 6 o'clock, what is the time for you guys? IST?
It becomes 8:30 Chaitanya for us, 6 o'clock means. And for 1.5 hour class, it becomes 10.
Yeah.
If it anywhere like Teju, she will come little late like that. It will goes up to 11:15 like that. It will end up.
So not only
So
Teju,
better we'll have at
not only
5:30.
Teju,
It
other
will be
people also will
better.
come late, right? Yes, Suguna? Okay. So what you want to say, Suguna?
I want you to take it 5:30. That will be better for us, for me, as far as specific to me.
Yes, Chaitanya, because we have to, I mean, we have a, I have to get up early in the morning. So I have that problem. So if I go extend to 10:30 or 10:11, it will be like very difficult for me in getting up in the morning. Yeah, it's okay. 5:30 will be fine for us if you can please. That's
Yeah, that's fine. But as Suguna is telling, Tej will come late and that class will go to extend till 11:30, right? That's what I'm thinking.
Don't allow after 5:30, Chaitanya. Those who come at 5:30, then okay, fine. Don't give access to others.
I didn't get what you want to say.
Don't give access to others, I'm saying.
You cannot say like this, right?
Yeah, but see, because of them, we are getting delay, right?
You guys are ordering or you guys are requesting?
I'm requesting you.
Yeah.
I'm
The
not
way you are
giving
speaking, the
orders.
way you are speaking in the last 2 days, I think it is not requested me. Anyway, so
See, it is becoming painful. That's why talking
yeah, I
like that.
understand.
I will
I
be like
understand.
adjusting, right? Last couple of months, because of Rohit, I have adjusted. That's the thing, Chaitanya. I'm not giving any orders here.
I didn't understand the way you are speaking is okay. Leave it. It is not the way to speak. Okay, tomorrow we have 5:30 class. Because of the Teju, you have any problems?
I will be forgetting.
You guys have any problem with Teju attending the classes?
No, no,
not it.
not Chaitanya.
Then why you are pointing her? Okay, anyway, 5:30 class will meet. Thank you.